Happy birthday to Amanda. It's your 22nd birthday. This song's for you. And who else is this song for? This song also goes out to all the stoners. Where's all my stoners at? You know where you are. Got a couple over there, right? There could be cops. I'm gonna tell your mom. I'm gonna tell your mom. Nobody likes a snitch.
Too short, so long.